Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by making sure the recipe is unlocked. This is the single most important prereq. Once done, open your crafting menu and verify the green paint schematic is listed. Next, collect the listed ingredients, typically a colorant and a solvent plus an empty container, and carry them to an alchemy bench or to your Serenidia pot workstation. Make sure you have inventory space and the proper station selected, otherwise the craft option will remain grayed out. You now perform the actual craft. Choose the green paint recipe and inspect the material list. Amounts may be exact like 1 or 1/2 units. Then click Craft. The game will consume materials and produce green paint in your inventory. If crafting fails, double-check you use the correct solvent type and not a similarly named item. Alternatively, make sure to try vendors or event shops as a backup. Sometimes, once you have green paint, go straight to the customization or furnishing screen and choose the item you want to recolor. You'll see an Apply Paint option and a unit cost. Make sure you have that many paint units. If the color won't apply, check for 3 common issues. You lack the recipe, you're at the wrong station, or your inventory is full. If those aren't the problem, restart the game to clear sync issues and try again.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.